Hello guys, welcome back. Today in this video, we are going to see how we can apply hero animation to our Flutter. Here as you can see, we have simple application where we have one image on home page. When we click on this image, we are landed to details page. Now we can add hero transition in between these two screens. So let's jump to the code, type some code. So for applying hero animation, we have to wrap this image widget into to hero widget. Now simple, we have to pass hero tag here. This tag must be unique and same for both the screen. Here for this image and same as this image where we can show the animation. Let's go to the details page, wrap this big image to hero widget and add same tag. Tag must be same for both the files. Now let's check our hero animation. So as you can see, we have beautiful animation for our. This is hero animation.